Hello, my kids. How are you today? I hope you're doing great. Welcome to Taqarib School. I'm teacher Raya. Today we are going to learn about the vowels and consonants. We will know about what is the difference between vowels and consonants and what is the sound of the long vowels and the short vowels. So let's get started. Here we have these letters, we call them vowels. We start with letter A, then E, I, O, and U. All of these letters, we call them vowels, okay? Now let's see the other letters from the alphabet, we call them consonants, okay? The red ones, we call them vowels, and the blue, we call them consonants. Now let's divide them into two groups. This group is for consonants and this one is for vowels. So let's start. Let's write the red ones here in this table. We start with letter A, then letter E, then we have letter I, then the red one, just the red one. We have letter O, then letter U. All of these letters, we call them vowels. Now let's move to the consonants. All of the other alphabets, all of the blue ones, we have B, C, D, E. Should we write E? No, it's from the vowels group. So what comes after E? We have F, then G, H. Shall we write I? No, it's vowels, not consonant. So we don't write I. After I, we have J, K, L, M, N. Should we write O? No, it's from vowels, not consonant. So we will move to the next one, which is P, Q, R, S, T. Should we write U? No, it's vowel. Good job. So we will move to the V, W, X, Y, and Z. So this group is vowels and this group is consonant. So we have, how many vowels do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the whole alphabet, we have just 5 vowels. They are A, E, I, O, U. And all the others, we call them consonant. Okay? Now let's see this worksheet and let's do it together. We have letter A. Letter A, it's vowel or consonant? Okay, let me make something for you. I will draw as a happy face. Then I will show you what we have to do here. I will draw all of the vowels as a happy face, like this. Here we have U, O, E, I, and first A. All of these we call them vowels. And the other are consonants. So let's start with letter A. Is letter A in this happy face? Yeah, so it will be a vowel. We should write it in the vowel table. Letter C, is it vowel or consonant? So look at the happy face. Is it here? No, so it will be consonant. We will write it here. So this is letter L. Letter L from consonant or from the vowels? Can you find letter L in this happy face? No, so it will be a consonant. Good job. Let's make letter L here. I, yeah, it's here. So we will write it in the vowels table here. And K.
I can learn to understand you much better.
K is a consonant. Great job. What comes a K? Then E. E, it's a vowel. Yeah. And M. M is a consonant. Yes. Bravo. And here we have letter W. Can you see letter W in this happy face? No, so it will be a consonant. Good job. And here we have U. U, it's vowel or consonant? It's here. It's the face of the happy face. So it will be a vowel. So here after U we have D. D is a consonant. And after D we have F. F consonant. After F we have letter H. H is a consonant. And S is a consonant. Yeah, good job. O, vowel. Z, consonant. X, consonant. Good job. So this is the difference between vowel and consonant. All of the vowels here, A, I, O, U, E, all of them we call them vowels, and the others we call them consonants. Now we will learn something about the vowels. We have short vowel and long vowel. Let's start with the short one. The sound of the short vowel, let's start with letter A. The sound of it is a, a. But the long sound for letter A is A as its name, okay? This is A and this is A. This is short sound and this is long sound. Here we have letter E. The sound of the letter E is A. This is the short sound. The long sound will be as its name, E. This is the long sound for letter E. The short sound for letter I is E. The long sound will be as its name. What is the name of this letter? I. So the long sound for letter I is I. Okay? And here we have letter O. The short sound for letter O is O. And the long sound for letter O is O as its name. Okay? And the last vowel we have here is letter U. The short sound of the letter U is A. The long sound for letter U is as its name, so it will be U. Okay? Again, let's start. Short, long, okay? So this is A, E, I, O. And here we have A, U. Okay? These are the sounds for short vowels and long vowels. Let's take some example here. For example, we start with letter A. This is short A. Let's try to spell this word. Here we have K. Okay, we have K with an will be can. K with an will be can. K-A-N will be can. Here we have, how many vowels do we have in this word? We have two, this one and this one. So if we have two vowels, we will pronounce the first one as long vowel. So here we have K. The long sound for letter A is A. So it will be K-A-N will be cane. We can't pronounce this one, okay? We just pronounce the first one as long. Again, here we have just one vowel. We pronounce it as short vowel. K-A-N will be can. And here we have K will be, here we have two vowels. So we will pronounce the first one as long vowel. K-A-N will be cane. Excellent. Here we have can, here we have cane. Let's see the other example. Here we have letter E. Letter E has two sounds. The short one is A. The long one will be E. Okay? So, here we have the long one. How many vowels do we have here? We have 1 and 2. We have two vowels, okay? This is the first and this is the second. The first vowel is letter E. The second vowel is letter A. If we have two vowels, we should pronounce the first one as long vowel. So here we have the sound of letter E. The long sound is E, okay? So it will be T with with E will be tea. You know what is the meaning of tea? For example, when we say, can I have a cup of tea? So this is the word tea. And here we have just one vowel. So we will pronounce it as short vowel. Let's start. T, a, n will be number 10. Yes, good job. T, a, n will be 10. But here we have the long sound for letter E. T with E will be T. Good job. Let's see the other example here for the vowel I. Here we have the short sound for letter I is E, E, E. The long sound for letter I is I as its name. So here we have just one vowel. We will pronounce it as short sound. So, E, et will be set. Example, sit down. Sit. This is the word sit. And here we have two vowels. This is the first one and this is the second one. We will pronounce the first one as long vowel. The long vowel for letter I is at its name, which is I. So, I, it will be sigh. Excellent. Let's see the last example here. Here we have letter U. The short sound for letter U is a. The long sound for letter U is U. Here we have the first example. We have just one vowel, so we will pronounce it as short vowel, which is a. So k a will be cup. Cup. K a p will be cup. Here, let's see. K. How many vowels do we have here? Sorry. We have two here and at the end of the word. So when we have two vowels, the rules say we should pronounce the first one as long vowel. So here we have k. The long sound for letter U is U. K, U, eb will be cube. Cube. Okay. This is cup and this is a cube. Okay, these are the vowels and this is the difference between long and short vowels. Now, again, here we have apple, apple. It's short sound. And here we have egg. It's short sound. Here we have inch. Inch is short sound for letter I. Here we have octopus. Octopus has short sound for letter I. Oh, sorry. And the last example is umbrella, which have the short sound for letter U. Here we have acorn. Acorn has long vowel. And eel, long vowel. And oak is a long vowel. Unicorn is a long vowel. So now let's watch this video to learn more about long and short vowels.
Oh, now vowels have two sounds each, but they don't sound the same. One is short, yeah, real short. The other one's long and says its name. So the short A says apple, and the long A says acorn. The short E says elephant, and the long E says eagle. The short I says insect, and the long I says island. Let's take a break. Here we go. The short O says ostrich, and the long O says oatmeal. The short U says umbrella, and the long U says unicorn. Vowels have two sounds each. They don't sound the same. One is short, yeah, real short. The other one's long and says its name.
So this is was our lesson today. Thank you for joining me and I wish you enjoyed my video. Thank you. See you later. Goodbye.